Morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So students, in our previous classes, in our previous block 9, we have read two stories, the hare and the race and the hare and tortoise. So students, tell me, how are the characters in the story the race and hare and the tortoise similar? Now here is the story the race. In this story there is a hare and a tortoise. So in both the stories the characters of the hare and tortoise are similar. Now students, tell me, how are they different? How are they different? So in both the stories the hare is proud whereas the tortoise is helpful. Next one. Now, however, in the race, the tortoise is very clever too. So, in the both the story, the tortoise wins the race. Next one. How are the events in two fables similar and different? So, the events in both the story, the tortoise wins the race. The previous hare and tortoise story is different from the race. जो पहली वाली स्टोरी थी आपकी टोर्टोइज एंड जो ट्रेडिशनल वर्जन था द स्टोरी का हेयर एंड द टोर्टोइज that is different from the new version of the story, the race. Okay, so the tortoise does not win the race by tricking an original story, but by being slow and steady. So in this story, the race, tortoise wins the race by his cleverness or by his trick. But in the previous story, the tortoise does not win the race by tricking in the original story, but by being slow and steady. So जो आपकी ट्रेडिशनल स्टोरी थी उसमें कैसे जीता था हेयर, स्लो एंड स्टडी, by slow and steady. But in this story the tortoise wins the race by his smartness, and in the previous story, the traditional story, here wins the race by slow and steady. So I hope it is clear to you. Move on next. Student, can you tell me what do we do when we compare stories? So when we compare stories, we find the things that are common in both the story. जब compare करते हैं तो common की बात करते हैं हम, common things in both the story. Now can you tell me what do we do when we contrast them? Contrast में क्या होगा? When we contrast we find things that are different. Contrast क्या होगा? Different. And compare क्या होगा? Similar. Okay, I hope it is clear to you students. So students, today we will read a compare and contrast paragraph. So there is a paragraph in your worksheet S3. There is a question 1. Read the compare and contrast paragraph about stories, the lion and the mouse and the oak and the grass. So let's read the story. The lion and the mouse and the oak and the grass are different. So there are the two characters in the story, the lion and mouse, the mouse and lion, and oak and the grass are in the story, the oak and grass. Okay, the characters and the events in both stories are quite similar. The lion is very proud of himself and makes fun of little mouse. In the same way, the oak is overconfident about his strength and makes fun of the little grass. उसमें क्या था, जो लोइन है वो प्राउड था और मजाक उड़ाता था माउस का. बट इस स्टोरी में क्या था, ओक एंड द ग्रास में जो ओक है वो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट था और ग्रास का मजाक उड़ाता था. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, द लॉयन अंडरस्टैंड्स हिज मिस्टेक व्हेन द लिटिल माउस सेव्स हिज लाइफ. आप उसकी लॉयन को जब अपनी गलती तभी रियलाइज़ हुई जब उसने लिटिल माउस ने उसको सेव किया. Similarly, the oak learns a lesson in the end when he falls down when the wind blows. और ओक को कब लेसन मिला, जब वो विंड ब्लो हो रही थी तब वो गिर गया था, तब उसको लेसन मिला कि हमें किसी छोटी थिंग का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. The characters of the lion is kind. The character of the lion is kind. He लेट्स द माउस गो। जो करेक्टर था आपका लॉयन वो काइंड था और वो क्या करता था, वो माउस को जाने दिया। ऑन द अदर हैंड द ओक ट्री इज़ नॉट जेंटल। ओक ट्री है वो जेंटल नहीं था। ही इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द लॉयन एंड अनकाइंड। वो क्या था, अनकाइंड था। द लॉयंस काइंडनेस पेज off because the mouse saves his life later. However, the oak tree falls down and loses his life. Thus, we see that the two stories, only the story, the lion and the mouse, teaches us the lesson of kindness. जो दोनों स्टोरी थी उसमें क्या है, लॉयन एंड माउस स्टोरी है, वो हमें लेसन सिखाती है काइंडनेस का. So students, can you tell me what are the underlined words? What do the underlined words in the first paragraph show? So now look at the first paragraph of this story, of this paragraph. So there are the underlined words are compare and contrast words. See, so the words in the first paragraph are used to show similarities. सिमिलरिटीज़ को शो कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट में जो है, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में जो वर्ड्स हैं वो, एंड द सेकंड पैराग्राफ आर यूज्ड टू शो डिफरेंसेस. सो जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है वो सिमिलरिटीज़ है एंड सेकंड पैराग्राफ इज अबाउट डिफरेंस. राइट कर रखा है डिफरेंसेस एंड सिमिलरिटीज़. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, there are some words that we compare. Now can you tell me what does the first line tell? So the first line in the compare and contrast paragraph introduce the things that are compared. जो फर्स्ट लाइन है वो क्या कर रही है, शो द लॉयन एंड द माउस एंड द, क्या कर रही है, कंपेरिजन शो कर रही है, उसको कंपेयर कर रही है. सो नाउ कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट डज ईच पैराग्राफ टेल and what does the last line tell? So the first paragraph tells about the similarities between the two stories, and the second paragraph tells about the differences between the two story, and the last line, last line, the lion and the mouse teach us the lesson of kindness. So this last line sums up the essay. Okay students, now there are some words that we use in compare, like similarity, similarly, just as, both, same. So these are the compare words, and contrast words are there, unlike, on the other hand, whereas, however, although, different from. So these are the word that that show contrast. So in first paragraph there are compare we used for similarities, and then the second paragraph shows the differences between two stories. I hope it is clear to you students. Next, so student, can you tell me, can you find the similar and opposite word meanings in the compare and contrast paragraph, and how they help to make writing interesting and clear? Now look at this. There are the words like gentle, kind, proud and overconfident are similar meaning words, whereas the words like kind and unkind are opposite meaning word. Kind का क्या हो जाएगा, unkind, so they are opposite word meaning words. So these words make the writing interesting because even while describing similar qualities, you don't repeat the same word. सेम वर्ड हमें रिपीट नहीं करना पड़ेगा जब हम सिमिलरिटीज़ को भी राइट कर रहे हैं तो. सो अपोजिट वर्ड्स मेक द राइटिंग मोर क्लियर बिकॉज इट इज़ ईजी फॉर द रीडर टू सी कॉन्ट्रास्ट बाय रीडिंग दैम. सो ये क्या करते हैं, दीज वर्ड्स हेल्प अस टू बी राइटिंग मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, कि वही वर्ड हमें दोबारा से रिपीट नहीं करना पड़ता. सो राइटिंग लुक्स इंटरेस्टिंग. सो आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. मूव ऑन.